Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Microsoft Store and confirming you're signed in. You should verify your Microsoft account balance under Payments and Billing so you know available funds. Once done, make sure Windows uses the same account for store purchases. Switch accounts if needed. You'll also want a backup payment method linked for items exceeding your balance. This short setup prevents checkout delays and lets you use balance immediately when you select an app, game, or subscription. Now find the purchase you want and click Buy. At checkout, the Microsoft account balance will be applied automatically as the primary payment source. You'll see the reduced total. If the balance doesn't cover the full amount, choose Split Payment and select a secondary card or add funds to your account. Make sure billing address and region match your account. Mismatches can block balance use. Once you confirm payment, Windows processes the transaction and delivers the license or download. Finish by verifying the purchase in Microsoft Store order history and your confirmation email. The balance deduction appears there. If you need more funds, redeem a gift card or add money via your account. Microsoft. Calm and refresh the store to reflect the new balance. If a purchase fails, make sure you're signed into the correct account, the region matches your billing info, and the secondary card is valid. If problems persist, sign out, reboot Windows, and sign back in to reset the store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.